So today we are back again with another video, and today I'm gonna change the cam follower. They're known for going really bad. This is a cam follower I got from my used motor that blew up, and this only have like not even 1K on it. It's pretty much brand new. I got it right before the motor blew up, and then I put it in. So today we're gonna do the same thing. Just put the cam follower in, because this is a swap motor, so I don't know what's like really bad on it, like if the cam follower is good or not, if it's in good shape or not. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. It's not that hard, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just make sure you take the fuel pressure out, and then you loosen the banjo bolt right there, and you should be in good shape. That's pretty much it. I got a rag right here because sometimes the fuel, like, you know, squirt out, and I don't want it to squirt in my face. Because last time I got fuel in my eye when I was doing the cam followers. This should do it. There you go. You seen the spray now. It smells like a lot of fuel. See, it's dripping right there. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else in it because I didn't really drive it today, so it might probably drain out by itself. So the next thing I'm gonna do is loosen this right here. I'm gonna loosen that right there and take it off. You get to the bolts and just change the cam follower. So yeah. Okay, so now it's loose. I got it loose. There's barely any fuel pressure in there, so that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Let me fix the rag a little bit so it doesn't really. I'm using my phone to record because when I use the camera, you guys complain, telling me that I need a better camera quality. But I have a professional camera, but the camera I have, oh, there we go, more fuel draining out, but that's pretty much it. The camera that I have is for taking pictures. I have a professional camera for pictures. Hold on. While you're doing this job, you guys probably gonna need some lube. This is what I used last time. Assembly lube for like engine and stuff like that, engines. So this is what I'm using to lube the cam follower up. So next thing you gotta do is a T25 for all these 3 bolts. It's 3, one right there, one right there, and one right there. A T25 or a T30 could do it, but the bolts are pretty rusty. What I did last time, I sprayed WD-40 on it like a week ago because I know I was gonna check the cam follower, because you always want to check your cam follower. Like, those make, like, once it crack and fall inside the motor, you guys are gonna have problems. So get it before it breaks and go everywhere in the motor, because that's not a good thing. You're probably gonna have to rebuild your motor if the cam follower is cracked and stuff like that. So the next thing we're gonna do is get a T30. Open the banjo bolt, and I think there gotta be fuel pressure next to the banjo bolt. So what I'm gonna do is just get the rag and stuff it underneath so the fuel doesn't really get on stuff I don't want it to. So that's a good idea to do. Just get the rag and just stuff it underneath. So when you crack the banjo bolt, the fuel don't spray everywhere. So just open it. It's not really a big deal. See if I can get it from right here. I feel like the only reason it's taking me so long is because I'm using one hand and have the other hand to hold the camera. So it probably look like I'm struggling. I'm really not. Let me just get ready, fuel spray out. I think we're good. That's loose. So now I gotta just take these bolts out. I'm gonna be real cautious because I don't want to, even though I have extra bolt, if they fall inside the engine bay, I have extra bolt from my other motor. So if they fall, I could just go grab them. Not really a big deal, you know. All right, time to see. All right. Yo, last time I took this connector off my motor, I freaking cracked it. So now I'm gonna be extremely careful when I'm taking these off. because I'm known for snapping freaking connectors. And so now I just gotta put the bolts, and that's pretty much it. This one was going bad. I don't know why it cracked when I was taking it out. Soon as I pull out the high pressure fuel pump, it just cracked into pieces. I don't know why that happened. Lucky I changed it before it even went like worse, because as you guys can see, the back is like really wore down like a lot. So I'm glad I changed it. I'm gonna be changing it every probably 15K. I don't know, the fuel is kind of having me coughing and stuff, so I don't know. So, and I told you guys I would lube it up before I put it back in. I did that. I put engine lube on it, so everything is good. I just need to put the bolts back in, and we're all set pretty much. This one, last time I did it, it was really easier than this one. It was just 1, 2, 3, and I did it like in the nighttime, but this one gave me a fight. I guess because stuff haven't moved around in a very long time, so like that's why stuff was like seasoned up and not moving. But I got it done, not a big deal. So so basically all I have to do is tighten back this banjo bolt right here, put this one back on, connect this hose back right here, and that's pretty much it. And also I loosened this, moved out the way a little bit. I'm gonna have to put that back, and that's it. We pretty much halfway there. So I'm just buttoning it back up. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm finished. The hose back to the intake system. I put the fuel pressure banjo bolt back on. I put the connectors back in. Everything is back together. So now I'm gonna start it and see like if it's making no funny noise or anything like that.